Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And oh, do I have a fun one for us today, guys. This is probably one of my favorite custom trucks that we do down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. And apparently it's our customer's favorite custom truck as well, as this truck just won the Donnelly Ford Lincoln Custom Truck Off. This is our 2018 XR8. An absolutely beautiful truck, guys. As I said, it is the XR8. You can put this package onto any Super Duty on our lot. You can bring your Super Duty to us, we'll put this package on it, or you can come down here and pick one of these beautiful, already preloaded trucks and go ahead and take it home for yourself. This one is a 2018 Platinum Diesel with the XR8 package, so it is absolutely jammed. I'll get back into the features of the truck in just a little bit, but again, as mentioned, XR8, so it does have the 8.5-inch Skyjacker lift kit on it, which obviously, as you can see, sits it up very high. As I come down the side here, you'll see we put these beautiful 20-inch Fuel Monster rims on there and put the Mickey Thompson Baja tires around. So again, a really good look, 38-inch tires there. Then what we did is we went ahead and added the Air Design paint to match body kit. So that comes with your hood scoop, as you can see there. Comes with the front bumper. So again, they've added actually 2 more LEDs into the front bumper just down below there as well as the fog lights. And you see you do have the LEDs, which come standard with that Platinum as well. So this is an absolutely beautiful front end there for sure. As I come down the side here, you'll see you get the fender flares, you get the door moldings down the side here, the other fender flares at the back, as well as the spoiler on the tailgate. So again, just gives that back end a little bit more of a unique look. Really, really good decal on this guy. I'm a big fan. Again, it's the XR8 decal. You see the off-road with the matte black in behind, so it gives it a really, really good look. And then as I come around the back here again, you'll see it's got a really good sit to it. Really happy with the way this one came out. Now back to the truck itself. As mentioned, it is the Platinum Diesel, so you do have the remote starter built right into the key. It's going to go ahead and tell you that it started as well. This one told us that it didn't, but that's okay. As you can see, as I open up the back doors here, we do have that running board that drops down for you, so again, makes it a little bit easier to actually get up in the truck. And then we do have that twin panel moonroof up top, so really makes this truck feel very open. Heated seats in the back, all the USB charging points they need back there. This one does have the multi-contoured seats, so it actually is going to massage the seats for you as well. And as you can see, obviously it does have the bigger mirrors. So the nice thing with those bigger mirrors is just in case you ever need to get into a bit of a tighter garage, you can always push a button and have them fold in. You'll see they do come with the blind spot monitoring system as well with the Platinum. Like, this guy is absolutely jam loaded, guys. And as I said, with the XR8, you're certainly going to stand out from the rest of the Super Duties on the road. So again, guys, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Send me an email. We can certainly set you up with a test drive on this guy. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.